Now for these examples, we are going to be using empirical probability. And empirical probability uses what is known as empirical data. And empirical data is data that is collected somehow, and that could be through observation, through interviews, or something that's very common is surveys or polls. So this first example says, the table shows the results of a survey of randomly selected young adults within the ages of 18 through 29 who were asked what form of electronic communication they use most frequently in their personal lives. And you can see over here from this table, it lists these 4 common forms of communication: texting, email, social networking, and of course a phone call. And then these are the individuals in the survey who responded to texting, those who said email is your most common form, 739 said social networking, and then of course we have 173 for the phone call. Now keep in mind that any probability that we're going to be calculating, we have to have an overriding total. So we're just going to tally up all those who responded to the survey. We're just going to add up the 897, the 198, the 739, and of course the 173. So there were a total of 2,007 individuals who participated in this survey. So then the event here is for letter A. According to the survey, what is the probability that a randomly selected young adult uses texting most frequently? And of course there's texting here. Well, that's 897 out of the 2007. So I'm going to put A right here. 897 out of the 2007. And that's approximately 0.4469. And of course, we recognize that as 44.69%. Letter B is similar. It says, according to the survey, what is the probability that a randomly selected young adult uses emailing most frequently? So all that's really changed is the event, but that's 198 out of the 2007. And that's approximately 0.0987, which translates to 9.87%. Of course, for the golf balls example, it states, in the past year, the groundskeeper at a local golf course had retrieved 500 unrecovered golf balls. He found that 392 of them were severely damaged. What is the probability that a retrieved golf ball is severely damaged? And of course, we could see right here, there's a total of 500 unrecovered golf balls. That's our overriding total. 392 of them were severely damaged. So what is the probability that a retrieved golf ball is severely damaged? Well, that's 392 out of the 500, which equals 0.784, which of course is 78.4%. And there we go.